welcome to Tons of LEGO and Brick Play. Today, I'll be showing you how you can make your own catapult that actually shoots. Let's get started! To build it, you need to start with an 8x8 plate and make a wall around it, just like this. So this wall is 3 bricks tall and covers all of it except from a little full 1x4 area just here. Once you've done that, you then want to make something looking like this with a 1x2, another one, a Technic one, and a 2x3. You just have to sort it out, snap it on, and now you make this. So this is the actual launcher. So to build it, you just need 2 of these pieces and just snap them together with 2 Technic pins and add a yellow or grey Technic pin, mainly because they're really smooth, like that. So now, once you finish assembling this part, just snap it on and it should fit snug, like that. Now you may want to lift this. I might actually need to take this off. And now you're going to build a small frame. So this can just slide around. It won't really matter after. And it's just going to have to cover all of it like this. And also add a 4x4 in the middle, just so it doesn't slide around. Okay, now you can actually add this part on, put it on, snapped on, and now just add another 1x2, another 2x3, and just make these small pillows out of 2 2x4 bricks and 2 2x4 plates. Now duplicate that and just snap it on the end. So once you've added those 2 pillars, you're going to need to lift this up and add a 1x6 plate just here. So I've just added the plate and just push it down, and now you've completed it. So now you've successfully completed your catapult. It's launches. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, or follow for more. Bye.